In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto on Revolut. So to do this, first go and open up the Revolut app. Then from within the app, you want to click on the crypto tab in the bottom. Now from here, you can click on trade. Now here, just select the cryptocurrency that you would like to buy. For example, I will go with Bitcoin. Now from here, you can see the chart, and at the bottom, you can click buy. That will take you to this screen. From here you can see how much you have in your balance, and that is also the maximum amount that you can use to buy crypto. So if you want to do more, then you will need to deposit some money into your account. But for example, I could do €2 and then just enter how much you want to do here and then click on review order in the bottom. And then you will see it right here. Now you will see the fees and how much you will get. So if you are doing a small amount like I am here, then the fees are way too high unless you have one of the paid subscriptions. So this only makes sense if you are investing a bit more than just €2. But just click confirm order in the bottom and then you will have bought this crypto. So now you know how to buy crypto on Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.